price drops, active listings, and sold homes are on the rise. What's happening in the Roseville market in the 700,000 price range? Stay tuned. So, what did happen this week in the market between 650 and 750 in Roseville? Well, good news. Inventory actually went up by 6%. Pendings went down 2%. Solds went up by 13%, which if you remember from a couple weeks ago, we said that was going to happen when interest rates dropped about 0.5% last week. That actually stimulated more pendings to come, and those pendings that got into contract a couple, 3 to 4 weeks ago are now closing, so that's why we're seeing the bump. We also saw a 50% increase in price reductions, which is actually quite normal this time of year to see more price reductions. So a little fun note, what does a $700,000 like? Well, check out this home in Roseville. It's a 5-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,999 square feet, and they're also doing an open house this weekend. So is it time to secure your dream home in Roseville? Give me a call.